Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to be stepping on. Today is Wednesday the 17th, and keeping on the theme of Fiverr, we're going to be talking about today how to get more business on Fiverr after you've set up all of your gigs and everything. Fiverr used to have a place where clients could come and post work, right? And it was called what was it called? It was called Daily. You could. I can't remember what it was called, but anyways, it was this place where you could go and you could send proposals to work that was being posted. Okay, and they took that away, and because they took that away, there's nothing really that you can do on Fiverr anymore to reach out to people on Fiverr, right? Fiverr doesn't want you reaching out to other sellers on Fiverr. However, there is a really cool place. It's called the contact list, right? And this is a list that Fiverr keeps for you, that every job that you've ever done through Fiverr, right? It's in your contact list, the contact person that you've worked with. Okay, it tells you how much you've done with them, when was the last job, and it allows you to message them. And I want you to approach this like an email list. Okay, so you have an email list. And by the way, you can also do this with your chat section, like your message section, on people who you might have reached out to you for one reason or another. You guys didn't close the deal, right? But these are contacts. So you have your contact list, which are the people who have worked with you, and then you have your message list, right, with the people who have reached out with you, reached out to you, etc. And using these two lists, I recommend, like, every month you go on here and you message those people. You just say, something, hey, I just wanted to see how you were doing today, and letting you know that I'm doing XYZ. If you need a voiceover, just let me know. I'd love to help. Something like that. And you do that. You follow up on a monthly basis through those lists, through your contact list and your message list. And again, it serves like an email so that these people can keep you front of mind. Because you got to remember, even if somebody works with you, that doesn't mean they're going to remember you when the time comes, when something else happens, right? Like, they might not remember you right at that moment, or that, and they aren't completely familiar with how to go back through Fiverr and do all of this stuff. Do you know what I'm saying? You might have a different thumbnail. You might look, there might be all kinds of different stuff. So this is a great way to, reach out to people and get that business going. Unfortunately, daily requests. Let's call it with daily requests. That's what it was. But fortunately, they don't have that anymore, right? These daily requests. So this is one of the only ways on Fiverr, on the actual platform, that you can solicit business, if you will. Okay. And you can also offer deals, right? You can say, like, hey, I'm offering a coupon this month. Now, the coupons, there is an actual coupon system on Fiverr, but you have to be a part of the Seller Plus program in order to take advantage of that. But this, what I'm talking about here, anybody can do. And I really highly recommend that you use this, because this is a great way to, get to these people, even if they've forgotten about you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you today. Make sure you check out VO's Journey Elite Academy as we're going over all of this. And this week, we're showing everybody how to get all set up on Fiverr, how to get work, and really build out your profile and your gigs and everything. So check out the link below if you're interested in joining, especially during now our winter extravaganza. Love to have you, and I hope you have a great Wednesday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.